How to transfer ownership of Discord server. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord. Simply click on the server and then click at the top of the server. It will open this kind of page. Click on Settings in here. In Settings, scroll down till you find Members and click on it. After that, select the member you want to transfer ownership to, and at the bottom click on Transfer Ownership. Make sure there's tick mark and press on Transfer. After you've done that, verification code will be sent to your mail. Simply copy paste the code in here and press on Transfer Ownership and you're good to go. This is how to transfer ownership of Discord server. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.